Hey, what up, decisive marketers? Whether you are a freelancer or a business owner, one of the most important thing to do is to cover your butt, right? And to do that, you we have to deal with a lot of different documentation, whether it's invoices, quotations, business agreement, agency agreement, marketing agreement, a raffle contest agreement, terms of service, employer-employee agreement, right? There's so many of this different kind of documentation involved, and one of the most troublesome thing is to get your clients to fill it up and have them sign on it and send it back to you. And this is what this video is about today. This tool is called DocsCloud, and what DocsCloud does is that it helps you to easily send over a document to your client for them to sign on it very quickly and have it send back to you, and for your clients to be able to download a copy for themselves, right? So that makes the entire process very simplified, as well as they do have features such as a form builder, where your clients can just fill up a form and have that form fill up a piece of document for you. And they also have OCR feature that allows you to scan an image of a document and extract the text on it. And lastly, what DocsCloud is able to do is allow you to publish a document online, so that anyone that you want to have them look at it is able to access that document, and you can actually track whether they have seen it or not, right? So DocsCloud is a I would say a all-in-one feature for you to collect information from your clients, to pre-fill a document, as well as have a signature from your client, and also have a published document, and lastly also able to convert a physical copy of a document into a digital format as well, right? So that's what DocsCloud is. And before we get started talking about DocsCloud, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content, right? So let's dive in to DocsCloud. So here we are in the DocsCloud dashboard. So with DocsCloud, there are a few different features that they have right here. Firstly is the form builder, right? So it creates a form for you, and you are able to embed this form on your website, and you have a doc template. So what doc template does is it's a template of a document, and people can fill in the form in the form builder and populate the information, the data into doc template, and you can grab a copy of the document right here. And they also have a fillable PDF as well as doc signature, right? So doc signature allows you to collect signatures from your clients, and you have doc extractor. This is the OCR feature, where you upload an image of a physical document and convert it into a digital format, as well as doc share, where you can actually put up a public not public, but you can publish a document online and have the people whom you want to able to access it to be able to view it itself, right? So so what I'm going to be showing you guys is the doc signature feature, right? So I know that there are a few features here, but today in this video I'm just going to show you how the doc signature feature works, right? So firstly, you can create a document. You can call this anything that you want. I'm just going to put test 1, and you can choose templates right here, you are able to also upload your own document if you want to. They are able to accept Word, Microsoft Word document format as well. Right, so I'm going to be selecting a non-disclosure agreement. Okay, so this is a simple one. Okay, then we'll submit this. Alright, so here we are in the document editor here. So you can actually change the the document, the template right here. So over here, so what I could do here is maybe I can just put in my name, right? And then let's say I don't want to have the physical location address input. I could remove that, and this one will be the client's name. Okay, then we can scroll down, and let's say you want to have this last for 1 year from commencement. You can put that in as well. So you can actually make changes to this template right here. Then this choice of law, we'll select this as Singapore, and let's say you don't want this, right? I'm just making the document simpler, right? So that when we fill it up, it becomes it becomes easier for us to see. So over here I could put my name. Okay, then this one will be the client. Okay, so right now I filled it up, right? So I just click on next, and I can choose the text form, the date format, right? And then the recipient's name. So let's say I were to put my another email in here. So this one will be Henry, and then the signature. Okay, maybe not put Henry, but let's put use your LTDs. Alright, so we'll click next here. Right, so here we have the documents in here. So all I need to do right now is to just fill this up, right? So this would be the client's name, and sorry, this will be the name, and this one will be the current date, and then I could jump to the last page right here. Oops, let's jump to page 4 first. So the document kind of bricked up, so I should try and adjust the format a little bit. So over here we have the name and then signed. So this one will be my signature. Okay, so this one will be my signature right here. I could resize it as well. Okay, and the last page itself. So this one will be the current date, and then the current date again, and this one will be the client's name, and this one will be the client's signature, right? And then once I'm done, I can just click on next, and then I can put an email, right? So I'm going to be sending an email to the client right now. So let's say the okay, so let's say this is the the title, right? So the subject of the email. So there are a few options here that you can do. The first one will be to perform an email-based OTP verification before the recipient signs the document. So what happens is that when they open up the link to the document, and when they try to sign on it, it will actually ask them to put in their email and receive a OTP verification for them to continue signing the document, right? So that's what they can do. You can also send auto reminders, right? So how often do you want to send the reminder, right? And then you can set when the expiry date is, and you can also set auto reminder just before the the agreement expires. And you can send signed document on a webhook, so you can actually send this document to trigger a webhook, right? So this in case webhook, you guys, those of you who are watching this do not understand. It's just for you to trigger, a different application to do some automation, I would say. Then maybe it is to save into your Google Drive, right? You can do something like that as well. Then the next one would be notify when the agreement status changes to sign or send back, right? So you can you can turn this on as well. And mandatory tracking and send signed document to all signees. Okay, right? So these are the features that you can have in the DocsCloud over here, and I'm going to click on send now. Okay, so what happens is I get a email in my other email. Let's see, where is it? Just give me a second here. Okay, so let me just open up the email right here. Right, so here is the email from DocsCloud, and this is the link. I just need to click on this. Okay, right, so over here, as the signee, I have two options right here. One is to send it back. So that means it could be that I don't want to sign this document. It could be there's some errors in the document. Then I don't want to sign this. I can click on send back, or I can click on initiate signature, right? So initiate signature, then I would then be able to sign on this, right? So this is signing the document right here, and this will be just typing the your name, right? And or I can upload this, and once you're done, you can just click on confirm signature. I will then be able to download this as a copy for myself. Okay, so there we go. So basically this is DocsCloud. So I've already signed this. So if I refresh this, it turns into sign, and then I can look at the signed document over here, and I can keep a copy for myself, right? So this is the audit trail, any remarks in there, right? And that will be all within this video itself, right? So that's what DocsCloud does, and I think that this is a very useful tool if you need to be sending out documents for your clients to sign on. I think DocsCloud is great. There are a few plans that are available for DocsCloud right now. If you with the basic plan, you are able to get sorry, not the basic plan, but they have doc signature plan that allows you to collect up to 200 signatures per month, which is I would say that is more than enough, right? Unless you are getting more than 6 clients a day. Then the next thing that they have would be the form builder and the doc template plan as well, right? So that is going to cost a little bit more. With the form builder and the doc template plan, you are able to generate pre-filled documents using their form, and you are also able to connect a webhook to the doc template itself, so you can actually make use of your own form to generate templates, right? So with the doc template and form builder plan, you are able to have I think up to 20 different document templates, which is I would say very generous as well. Also, you have the doc extractor of the fillable PDF is it comes with the plan itself, but with the doc extractor, I would say that in most cases, most people don't need it, because you can make use of the OCR features from other tools as well. I would think that some of you probably would have. There are some even free softwares out there that can do the OCR features for you, right? But of course, if you need to make use of OCR, you don't have a tool that does it, you want to have it all in one, then I think with DocsCloud you can do that as well. And then lastly, if you need to publish any documents online and have people view it, then you can make use of DocShare as well. And pretty much I think that DocsCloud is awesome if you need to have a signature feature, and because of the how open the API features for DocsCloud is, it makes everything a lot more more automated for you, right? So if you find that you're spending a lot of time trying to chase your clients or legal parties involved for their signature, I think DocsCloud would be a great option for you. And pretty much that's all in this video. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions for DocsCloud, feel free to comment below. And lastly, if you know anyone, any business owner, any freelancers around you that could benefit from DocsCloud, be sure to share this video with them, and I'll see you in my next video.